Hello again, guys, to Word Work with Miss Dodd, and today we're going to talk about our letters and how they look and some different shapes that we can identify in our letters. So this is Miss Dodd's name. This is my first name. It's Ashley, and this is my last name, Dodd. And so we're going to look and see how these letters are made up. Let's start with the letter A in my name. The letter A is just straight lines. We drew straight lines down and one across to make the letter A. There's no curves or bumps or ridges. It's just flat lines. Now, when you move to the letter S in Miss Dodd's name, it's a little different. It's a squiggly line, and so there are more bumps and rounded edges. So if we started with this right here, this part of the S, we had a straight line going, and then we curved around and it made a bump there. And then we kept a straight line going here, but then it curved around again right here and ended back kind of straight. So the S has a lot of curves in it. Let's look at the H. The H has a long straight line back here, but then it also has a curve right here when we start with the other part of our H. And then it comes straight down to another straight line. The letter L is just completely straight. There is no curves, no nothing. We're just using one straight line. For the letter E, we have both. We have the straight line for the bottom part of letter E, but then we have a big curve. It curves all around with the rest of our letter E. And it will be the same for this E too. So when Miss Dodd moves to the D, the back part of my D has a straight line, but then when I look at the other part of the D, it curves around the whole time. Now my letter O is round. It's just a circle, a round circle. Now let's move to the D. I have two D's at the end of my name. And so it's just a round circle with a straight line at the end. So now I want you to think about your name and write your name down and look and see what kind of shapes or circles or flat lines or curvy lines do you see in your name when you're writing it. All right, guys, bye for now, and I'll see you soon.